Guys, Abubakar Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to get Meta AI and how to use it. So this is the Meta AI. This Meta AI is already available on Facebook Messenger, also on Instagram message. Also, you can get this Meta AI on WhatsApp. So this is the same. They are working the same on all other platforms that Meta on. So this Meta AI, as you can see, you can be able to ask it bunch of questions. You can ask in what it can do. For example, I can say, "Hey Meta, what can you do?" And it can answer me in second what it can be able to do for me. So also you can generate a photo. As you can see, this is a generated photo by Meta AI, and there is bunch of things you can be able to do. You can download or copy a link of YouTube video or other video on internet, and you can be able to ask it to summarize it. Also, it can translate other language to the language you want. And similarly, you can be able to use this Meta AI for like creating and some ideas for your content creation, for your businesses, and bunch of other things. And if you don't get this Meta AI on your WhatsApp or on other platform which Meta on, you can go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your apps to the latest version. So that is how you can get this Meta AI. So as you can see, this Meta AI, as I told you earlier, there is some free questions which you can be able to use it. So when you type at the top of your search bar, you can be able to see random questions that you can just select it and send it to the Meta on the chat, and it can be able to do it for you. So we are now select other pre-questions and send it to the Meta, and it can generate the answer of that questions. So that is how it can. It is very fast for answer your questions. So you can get another pre-question. So there is two ways to get this Meta chatbot. The first one at the top of your WhatsApp, and the second one through this. When you tap this icon, you can be able to go back to the chat and continue chatting with Meta AI. So let's select other free questions. Let's ask it to generate a photo. Imagine a vintage picture. So let's see what it can generate for us. So as you can see, now it is generating. So this is generated photo from Meta AI. So that is how it works. Let's ask another question to test it again. So video of cats park. Let's see what it can generate for this. As you can see, this is the question, and let's see. As you can see, also it can show us some videos. As you can see, you can be able to play some videos. When you ask that Meta, it can direct you some videos like on Instagram. If you ask a video, it can generate and link it to Instagram. You can be able to go there and find some video like this, as you can see. So it can show you some reels on Instagram. So this means that if you want a video, Meta AI for now, it don't generate a video, but it can link you on the other platform to see that similar video. But if you want to generate a photo, it can be able to generate a photo for you, as you can see, and it can generate a bunch of writing or bunch of ideas. It can give you some ideas about almost any fields on your businesses. So that is how Meta AI works. So hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section, and if you don't see this feature on your WhatsApp, go and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Also, I found out this Meta AI, I see it only on WhatsApp Messenger. Maybe in a few or in the coming months or weeks, you can be able to get this feature on WhatsApp Business. So for now, you can get it on WhatsApp Messenger only. So that is all, guys. What do you think about this Meta AI? Let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it to friends and family. Thank you. See you very soon.